ध्यान क्या है? कई लोग बोलते हैं शांत हो जाना ध्यान है, आंख बंद करके चुप रहना ध्यान है, साइलेंस में बैठना ध्यान है, विचार शून्य हो जाना ध्यान है. But these are all the outcomes. Focused mind or the concentration of the mind is the outcome, product of dhyan, of meditation. When we split this word dhyan, संस्कृत का शब्द है दी प्लस यान. दी ये जो धातु है संस्कृत में, ये 2 बार गायत्री मंत्र में आ चुका है. धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. धी का मतलब क्या है यहाँ? अल्टीमेट विजडम. गायत्री से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि माँ मुझे अल्टीमेट विजडम दो, प्रज्ञा दो. लेकिन बोलने से थोड़ी हम विजडम मिल जाती है, करने से मिलती है. मानने से ईश्वर नहीं मिलता, अनुभव से कुछ आगे बढ़ते हैं, अनुभव से भी नहीं मिलता, जिसके बारे में हम आगे बात करेंगे. और ज्ञान का मतलब है, दी का तो समझ गए आप, विजडम, अल्टीमेट विजडम, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी विजडम, अल्टीमेट विजडम. ज्ञान का मतलब है वाहन, vehicle that transports my consciousness to the ultimate wisdom is dhyan. Now you can appreciate the research of ऋषभदेव. This pranahuti की जो ताकत है, it moves this vehicle of consciousness from where we are to where we should be. Without this transmission of pranahuti, you cannot become dhyanmayi. It is not possible. Can you imagine the whole earth is bombarded with nuclear bombs, and what remains are empty houses and empty cars? And few of us are left behind. There is no fuel in the car. How will you ride the cars? It needs energy, it needs petrol or electricity to drive it. So dhyan, without this energy from a person of caliber, you cannot shift your consciousness into a next dimension. It's a must. कल हमने कई लोगों को ध्यान करवाया था, कान्हा में जब आए थे. They are the witness that what this transmission can do to your consciousness. It shifts, and it incrementally shifts as we change from inside. More the purity in my heart, more transmission will flow into my heart, and more shift in consciousness will happen, and slowly we march towards Kaivalya. How? As I said, belief is good, experience is better, but experience is not everything. Divine experiences can be great. They say rich hospitality is great. But to become rich, to become divine is another matter altogether. To experience divinity and becoming divine, they're two different things. So now we are moving from mere belief to experiencing to becoming divine myself. Nothing less will do. Next step, having become the divine, the highest step is to get rid of that also. only then you can say, I'm moving forward, I'm going forward.